Hello friends, welcome to Susan and John MathTube. In this video, we are going to work out a few problems in which we will convert Cartesian equations into pedal form. But we will work out the type 1, that is, we are going to convert Cartesian to pedal for which the standard parametric forms exist. For example, if you have a circle x square plus y square equal to 25, I know that it can be converted into x is equal to 5 cos t, y is equal to 5 sin t. Because I can generate all the points in the circle by putting different values for t. So we are going to convert the Cartesian equations to pedal equations for equations with standard parametric form. If you don't know the parametric form, then I'll strongly recommend pause the video for a minute and copy one by one. Ellipse, circle. Can you see these are the standard equations you learned in your high school? So we have standard equation for ellipse, for circle, for parabola, and these are the parametric form. Hypocycloid, asteroid, hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola, and rectangular hyperbola in simplified form. Okay, now let's go through the method once more. In the last video, we discussed very clearly what to do. So you're given a Cartesian equation. So what you do is you consider a random point or an arbitrary point x comma y on the curve. First thing to do, find dy by dx so that we can write the equation of the tangent. It is better to learn the equation of tangent as y minus y equal to dy by dx into x minus x. Do you remember a formula you learned in your +1 or +2? That is, any line can be written in the form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 and y1 belongs to the line. So we are going to write the equation of the tangent. Of course, the gradient of the tangent is dy by dx. Then equation of the tangent is given by this form, and this is very important. Simplify, rearrange, cross multiply, do whatever you like. At the end, the tangent should be something into x plus something into y plus constant equal to 0. Then very simple, we calculate the length of the pedal. That means we calculate the distance between origin and the foot, and we calculate the radius of that invisible circle that we learned in the last video. And simple job, connect R and P. Now let's start with the problem. So write like this. Let's go for the easiest question. Find the pedal equation for the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Now look at this. Whenever you see a question in exam, I want you to remember 1, 2, 3. Is the given question Cartesian or is the given question polar? So see, we have only two categories, Cartesian and polar. But Cartesian itself is divided into two. Cartesian equations whose parametric form is known for everyone, and Cartesian equations which do not have standard parametric form. So let's go back to the question. So we have x square plus y square equal to a square. Question number 1. Is it Cartesian? Yes. Do you know the parametric form? Yes. So I'm going to write the parametric form is x equal to a cos t, y equal to a sin t. Do you remember the steps? First, find dy by dx. Very simple. How do you find parametric derivative? Differentiate y. So that will be a cos t divided by differentiate x. That is minus a sin t. So these two get cancelled and I get minus cos t by sin t. Next thing to do, write the equation of the tangent. Y minus y equal to dy by dx into x minus x. So we get y minus Come on, that is another advantage of this parametric form. If we do not know the parametric form, then we will get stuck with x and y. Okay, here I'm going to put a sine t and the slope, that is minus cos t divided by sine t, x minus a cos t. I hope you are working out this problem along with me. This is not a movie, so watching the video will not be that beneficial. I'll strongly recommend take a book and work out along with me. Okay, now let's cross multiply. So we get, because our job is to put it in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I'm going to cross multiply. I'll get sine t multiplied by y minus a sine t is equal to minus cos t multiplied by x minus a cos t. And fast forward, I'll get cos t multiplied by x. I'm skipping steps. Don't skip steps. You pause the video and check whether your answer is correct. Plus sin t multiplied by y. And can you see this gives us sine square and this gives cos square. When it goes to the other side, it will be sine square plus cos square. And we end up like minus a equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. And didn't I tell you, I can put it in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now the last thing, calculate p. What's the formula for p? Modulus of the constant, can you see, a, b and c divided by root under cos square t plus sine square t. If you don't remember the formula, go back. I kept all the formulae there. Step 1, step 2 up to step 5. So when we simplify, we get p equal to mod minus a. I don't like the modulus, so I'm going to square. If you want to get rid of square root modulus, just square it. So that we get the first relation. So we found p square. Now r. What's the formula for r? R square equal to x square plus y square. Come on, we know the parametric form. So r square equal to a square cos square t plus a square sine square t. A square comes common. So r square equal to a square, equation number 2. What is the last thing to do? Destroy x and y but connect p and r. Very simple. Come on, p is equal to p square equal to a square, r square equal to a square. So the last equation equal to p square equal to r square. See, that gives me p equal to r. Do you want to see the graph in Desmos? Okay, let's check it out. So I already kept cos t sin t, and can you see? Because every p value will be the radius value in this case. Okay, now let's go for an ellipse. That will be the next question. I'll keep 5 sin t, 5 cos t, 3 sin t. Can you see? The black one is the original curve and the pedal curve is the blue one. Okay, please write the second question. Now you might have understood like 50%. Let's make it up to 80% with this problem. Right? Find the pedal equation for x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Come on. What's the first question? Is it Cartesian to pedal or polar to pedal? Obviously Cartesian to pedal. But Cartesian to pedal has two possibilities. It might have a standard parametric form or it may not have a standard parametric form. If it has a standard parametric form, then choose it. X equal to a cos t, y is equal to b sin t. Now what's the procedure? Find dy by dx. Very simple. B cos t divided by minus a sin t. You know how to differentiate parametric form. Differentiate y, differentiate x and put it as a ratio. Now the equation of tangent is y minus y equal to dy by dx into x minus x. Pause the video, simplify, and I'll do it here. There is parametric form, so I'm going to keep y is equal to b sin t is equal to b by minus a cos t by sin t into x minus a. Okay, I'm going to take minus a sin t to the other side. So I'm going to get a sin t y minus b sin t is equal to b cos t x minus a cos t. So you simplify this. I can see we get b cos t times x, and this will go to the other side. So we'll get a sin t times y, and now we are going to get ab sin square t and ab cos square t. So that gives us minus ab equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you got the same equation. Come on, now what should we do? P. What's the formula for P? Modulus of constant divided by root under b square cos square t plus a square sin square t. Now let's find r. What's the formula for r? R is equal to x square plus y square, and if you have a parametric form, yeah. So I'm going to get a square cos square t plus b square sin square t. Now things are not easy like the last one. We had the objective is so simple, so simple. Connect P and R, destroy the parameter or destroy x and y. Very simple to say. Okay, now let's check it out. So I don't like square roots, so I'm going to square it. P square equal to a square b square by b square cos square t plus a square sin square t. And from here, if you cross multiply, I'll get b square cos square t plus a square sin square t is equal to a square b square by p square. And please understand, this and this are not the same. But I got a very good idea. Look, I saw cos square and sin square. What is my objective? Connect R and P, destroy T. I saw the greatest idea to destroy T. What is cos square plus sin square? 1. So I'm going to call this equation number 1. I'm going to call this as equation number 2. I'm going to add them up. Think about it. So I will get r square plus a square b square by p square. I'm adding this side and this side. And when you add the other side, you'll get a square plus b square. That's it. The pedal equation. Did I connect r and p? Yes. Did I destroy the parameter? That's it. Okay, now let's go for one more question. The last question in this video. Find the pedal equation for the asteroid x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Same question. You ask yourself, is it Cartesian? Yes. Does it have standard parametric form? Yes, the asteroid has the standard parametric form. A cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t. One advice, before you start the problem, I want you to note this part. This is very important. This is from your maybe high school. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You might be wondering why I gave this. At the last, this identity will save you. Okay, so find dy by dx. What's the method? Differentiate this. A into 3 sin square t into cos t. Wait a minute. I know some of you have trouble with this. If you want to differentiate sin cube t, inside your brain, you should imagine this is the same as sin t the whole cube. What is the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. What is the derivative of something to the power 3? It will be 3 into same thing squared multiplied by derivative of that thing. That is called chain rule. So very easy to differentiate this. Can you see something cube? So the derivative will be 3 into same thing the whole square. Don't stop with that. Multiplied by cos t. This is a common mistake I find most of the first year engineering students do. Okay, divided by. Come on. tell me, how do you differentiate this? This is cos t the whole cube. So it is going to be, of course, a is a constant, 3 cos square t. Don't stop with that. Multiplied by minus sin t. Anyway, dy by dx gets simplified and you'll get minus cos will get cancelled. Sin and sin will get cancelled. 3 a. So you're going to get minus sin t by cos t. Now comes the usual step. Come on, tell me what's the next step? Equation of tangent y minus y, that is a sin cube t, is equal to minus sin t by cos t into x minus a cos cube t. So I'm going to take cos t to the other side. So we will get cos t multiplied by y minus a cos t is equal to minus sin t times x, and minus minus will be plus, so we will get a cos cube t sin t. So I'm going to take these things to the left, so I'm going to get sin t multiplied by x plus cos t multiplied by y, and this minus a sin cube t cos t minus a cos cube t sin t equal to 0. So can you tell me what comes common? Sin t multiplied by x plus cos t multiplied by y minus a is common, sin t is common, cos t is common. Now comes the awesome part. Once you take common, you're going to get sin square t plus cos square t, and that part will become 1. So we get the equation of the tangent. Always remember, it is compulsory that you keep the equation of tangent in the simplest form. So minus a sin t cos t is equal to 0. So find p. P is given by, I'm going to go super fast. P square will be a square sin square t cos square t. I skipped 2 steps. Think about it. And r square will be x square plus y square. So that will be a square cos to the power 6t plus a square sin to the power 6t. Okay, now comes the most important person, that is this formula. So I'll give you a hint and I want you to comment below the answer. How will you destroy this r and p? So can you see, I'm going to write this r square as a square comes common. Can I write cos to the power 6 as cos square t the whole cube plus sin square t the whole cube? Of course, you can use any method to destroy t, but I'm going to use this particular method. So this r square becomes a square into cos square t plus sin square t the whole cube minus 3 cos square t sin square t into cos square t plus sin square t. Think about it. Can you see? A cube plus b cube is a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now this part will become 1. And can you see this cos square t sin square t can be obtained from here. Okay, I want you to comment below the answer. Just comment below whether you got the answer or not. Your answer will look like r square equal to, I'm skipping steps, think about it. This will be 1 minus this will be, come on, p square divided by a square. That's it. And open the bracket, simplify. So I'll be back with more videos like this. And in the next video, we're going to learn how to convert polar into pedal. So till then, my friends, bye.